folks. I'm still customising my my burner, and I cut a slot out here so I can get an alloy wheel in there. Right, I just got it there. If it works, it works. If it don't work, what have I lost? A bloody good gas bottle. It should go now. There you go. That's going to sit like that. In there is another one. A little one. My burner. It's now got a 4-inch. Got a 4-inch. That is going there like that. This is going to go on there like that. That's going to go on there like that. Just like that. That should fit under there. Like that. That's going to go in there like that. And still get a crucible in there. Who knows? To do it, innit? And that's to fucking try it. I've done that. A new oil tank. I drilled that inside it, inside to 10 mil, so that tap don't work no more. It's 10 mil, so then it goes out onto the ball valve. That's off. But it hasn't been tested yet. So it stays up there, we'll have some sort of leg on there, and then when it comes down, you can lower it down slowly, and then it'll all come out there like that. Did you see that? There's oil in there, I can see it. Show let that oil warm up a bit. That's 5 minutes. Blistering all over now, so let's go and get my gun, see what sort of heat we're getting on here. Definitely warming up, isn't it? I've got another valve. On the other ones, what I do is drill in here 10mm, drill up there 10mm. So then, but obviously that don't work. That don't work then. But besides the point. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut that off, and I'm going to press that in there. So that is big. So then we can fit a hose pipe on you. Then we can get some oil coming down that bloody pipe. We basically ended up with that now. What I did was slightly narrowed it as it comes down the shaft. So the deeper it goes, obviously the tighter it gets. Is the idea. It's in there. It's definitely in there. Focus, you piece of junk. So hose pipe, Jubilee clip. Abracadabra. There it is. Job done. I should learn more tricks like that. Haters. Abracadabra. Okay. Who have you hated today? Anybody nice? Okay, that's fine.